The LMCT. So this device allows you to make programming changes in the space.
Okay.
So for instance, if we talk about the sensor, okay? In years past, if you look at an occupancy sensor, when you want to make adjustments to it via maybe a time delay change or sensitivity, you have to go to the device, right? So you got to go up the ladder, remove the faceplate off there, and then make adjustments. So now you can stand on the floor with the LMCT and just make the changes right there. Again, easy. Make changes pretty much on the fly. Yeah, give it a whirl.
So we have sensor controls, we have load configure. What does that mean?
Yeah, so load configure is about assigning respective devices to the load. So for instance, when I enact a load configuration mode, I can then pair devices, maybe a switch for instance, or a sensor to a respective load or loads in that space.
Right.
So for instance, if you had multiple switches, you may want switch 1 to control switch leg A, switch 2 to control switch leg B. Load configuration gives you the ability to make those load assignments.
Okay. Basically don't have dissimilar loads in one.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
Daylighting configuration?
Yeah, daylighting configuration is so you can make adjustments to the photocell. So you may want to set a different level in there, right? So that one.
So this can talk to this?
Absolutely.
Oh, cool. Now, who owns this? Is this initially for the contractor to install, and this is for a building manager, this is for office personnel?
The beauty on this device, Andy, is it really could go either way.
Okay.
So the contractor will have one on the initial install so they can make programming changes.
Right.
But also a really cool leave behind for your facility engineer, for instance, right? So they can make changes as they go forward in their building, right? So they may want to adjust the sensor time delay so that lights go off sooner in a space, for instance. They can do that.
Thank you, Jordan.
Hey, no problem.
And be sure to visit your local independent electric supply today for all your Wattstopper needs.